Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. So you can see the outer diameters here, dia under it, and inner diameter is 50 and 36. Friends, if you are new to my channel, my humble request to everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Extrude, select the top plane, create 3 circles, give the dimensions 100 mm, 50 and 36. So finish sketch. Select this face, the thickness is 10 mm and select sketch again. Extrude, thickness is 13 mm. The first one thickness is 5 mm. This is 8 mm. Next select this face, sketch, create one circle first, dia 90, convert entities, select this outer circle, okay. Create 2 lines, do the vertical constraint, or create give the dimension 8 mm, four. Trim these unwanted lines. Give the fillets here. So fillets can give later. So trim entities, trim these lines. Finish. Extruded cut, through hole, okay. Select fillet, two mm, fillet again 1 mm, so we can do the circular pattern here. So number of teeth so that's it friends. There is a holes, the diameter is 10 mm pitch is 35, means the PCD is 70 mm. Give the vertical constraint. So we can do the pattern also here. Select, circular pattern, number of holes we required 6. Okay, so finish sketch, extruded cut, through hole. Okay, so that's it friends. Assign the material here, steel, edit appearances, you can assign the color here. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me.